Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you a request from a new subscriber of the channel.
Subscriber.
He who asked me how any tip on how to submit your application to Amazon Merch on Demand on 2026. I remember I applied if I'm not wrong, in 2021 or 22, and I remember I saw a video of another channel like 4 years ago, 5, and what I learned from the video was that the most important part is the part where you describe yourself. Okay, this is the part when you put your motivations for being a merchant on demand, if you have any experience, all of that. The rest is very generic. Is the you have to put your country, your name, your legal stuff. So I will not go in deep in that. So today I made the work for you, and I asked Gemini of Google what to search on all the web and find me the best way to apply on Merch on Demand on 2026.
Wait for a bonus tip at the end of the video.
And it gave me 7 bullet points and a kind of letter that you can upload and submit. First thing is that approval in 2026 is harder. That's because now there are a lot of people trying to qualify for Merch on Demand, and many of them don't have the experience, and Amazon don't want people that just upload AI spam designs or don't have any experience or don't like to design for Merch on Demand. They want value on their website or the clients. Clients are the most important thing for Amazon, more than we the designers. Second, text alone isn't enough. This is the text study I was talking about. Amazon wants to prove you are legit, experience or originality, compliance, and the ability to bring your own traffic. This is very important. If you have a store or Instagram or Twitter following, this is very important that you mention in the text, because they like when you bring traffic and not only depend on the organic traffic of merch. In this sense, if you have a website, it's critical. You don't have to have your own website or Shopify. If you have, it's better, but you have to show something to them, a portfolio. For example, you can have an Etsy store, Redbubble store. Hopefully, for example, if I have a good Etsy store with some reviews, with some selling, 60,000 sales, well, you can have less. I think I remember I submitted a Redbubble shop I had with not too many sales, and an Etsy new shop I had in a time. For example, you can make like one nice Redbubble shop. This is a very nice one, or even a TeePublic shop with a nice banner, nice designs. At least have 50 designs. 100 is better. You see what I mean? So now, this is another important point. Explicitly mention IP compliancy. State that you understand trademark and copyright. This is very important for Amazon. That you don't just upload things from, I don't know, Disney, Coca-Cola, trademarks, because they hate having trouble with major companies. If they see you uploading things like this, you get banned in a second. So you have to be very careful. Show design quality, what I was talking about. Don't just upload like things you make with AI that have no niche research or are trending or have some different value of what things are already. External traffic, I talked this about. If you have an Instagram account, TikTok, Pinterest, TeePublic, Redbubble, anything, and bring traffic, it's even better than to mention this, and tell Amazon that you read all the instructions from Amazon, that you will comply all them. Also, don't beg, don't say they hate it seems the word passive income. Passive income meaning that you will not put the work on the site. Just upload 100 designs and leave it there and pretend you get rich. They don't like that. They like when you delete stuff that is not selling, uploading new designs, putting the time and care on your shop. Okay, they say also, well, in your submission, don't leave pure blanks. Choose novelty t-shirt as business industry, or if you have a real brand, even better. Okay, so how this, and now I have a letter. This is like a type of letter like that you can use, but you have to personalize it to your own website experience, qualifications for the site. For example, this is just an example. You can put high merch team, try to make it like personal, like not so chat GPT type, because they want to meet a human being, not an AI.
I am a human being.
You can put something like this: I am a graphic designer looking to expand my existing print-on-demand business. I'm currently selling on Redbubble, Etsy, TeePublic. You have to put your real stores. Please don't invent, because then you will not get approved. I want to partner with Amazon to handle content. I will create good designs and promote them. Why I believe I'm staying profitable for Amazon. I drain my own traffic. I talked this about. I take IP seriously. I won't do copyright or trademark things. I will search for good ideas in niches, original, and quality over quantity. That's what I was talking about. You have to upload. Don't upload this scale type designs where you upload like 100 designs and just change a word. You see, I don't do that anymore. I all my designs are original, unique, and now it's very easy to do that with all the AI and designing tools. You can fix them with Photoshop, Illustrator. It's not that hard to be original. And then you can end like, I love to have a chance with your program. Please don't include like, I am poor, my family is starving, I need a chance, you're my last chance to success, or mine. Nothing like that.
I am so poor.
Be professional when you submit this, okay? And now I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. This is, I think, the most important tip of all the video. Recently, many people I know have submitted the Amazon merch on demand, and they don't many or almost all don't have been approved. But one people, I don't remember where I saw this, told me or told us on a group I am working, that when they got the rejection mail, they answered to it just to try. So they got the rejection and they answered. They put, hi, Amazon merch on demand. I wonder why I got my rejection. And then they put this information I told you before in the mail. My name is this. I have many shops. I have experience in designing. I will upload all the original stuff, and I would treat my Amazon merch account with like a business, like serious business. Blah 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 blah. I hope you're fine and you can read this message. And then he waited like a couple of days and got accepted in the program just by answering the rejection mail.
Really?
So there you go. This is a very important tip I didn't know about, and you can use her to get accepted. I don't promise it work, but you don't lose anything. So there you go. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the content on my channel. If you have any request or criticism about the channel, please let me know in the comments. So see you in the next one. Thanks.